What is up, beautifuls? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or of course welcome if you are new. If you are new, my name is Finn. It's lovely to meet you. In today's video, guys, I am so excited, and I know recently I've had like 3 gifted videos on the bounce. I'm really sorry, but it's just I don't know what it is. At the moment, I've had a lot of companies being like, yeah, we'll give you this, we'll give you this, we'll give you this, and I kind of have to push those videos out first. So I do have videos coming up that aren't gifted, I promise you, but today's video, as you can see by the title, is also gifted. That does not mean you won't get an honest review. You're going to get an honest review. Let's just go. I'm so excited. So if you haven't yet seen, or if you're new here, I'll link it up here, but I did do a Kipozi 5-in-1 curlers review. Now, after I did that review, Kipozi actually reached out to me and they have sent me these for free to review for YouTube, and I'm so excited because they look amazing. So in today's video, we're going to be testing the Kipozi V7 hair straighteners. They look outstanding for the price. So you can buy these on Amazon. They retail for £34, I think. So if this is something that interests you, really bougie, really cute, cheap beauty products, then please keep on watching. The boxes of... I can't even get over the box. This is the front of the box. The box itself is pink. The hair straighteners themselves are rose gold, and it's just, I think this box is incredibly stunning. Bear in mind these are £33. So there's that. Then it says Kipozi on the side. You have some healthy warning things down here, and then it pokes out to reveal the actual box. So here is the inside box, and the inside box is just black all over. It says V7 on the side, Kipozi on the top, and then this bit is magnetised, so it opens up like this. Then that's the inside of the box. I can't get over it. I can't get over it. So that says V7, a twist of magic, and Kipozi. So let's undo this. And there we have it. So that's the inside of the box. So we have the Kipozi velvet bag, in which is the hair straighteners, and then we have supplemental tools under this flap. So if we pick this up, I don't actually know what tools we get. Oh, okay. Oh, hello. Right. So let me just put this down. I'll show you the tools that we get. I like this. They're branded. Right. The first tool we get is a typical, what do you call these again? Comb. There you go. It's a typical comb. It's got the logo at the top, so I really like that. I can't believe it's branded. Considering this is a small company, they've done so well so far. Then we have 2 of these clips. They are strong, man. We have 2 of these. They just say Kipozi on the top as well, but I tell you, I use these from Home Bargains, the cheap ones. They are not as strong as this. I'm impressed. Oh, okay, so we also have a heat glove. It fits. That's quite nice. I didn't realise it was going to come with any of that stuff. If you're new here, I hate velvet. Oh. So here is the bag with Kipozi written on it. Very, very cute. This doesn't feel as bad. It's more like velour. Okay, so let's just take this out so I don't have to touch this anymore. Right, guys, so here are the straighteners. They are beautifully coloured, like rose goldy pink gold. I love it. This bit here is actually an LED screen, so it tells you what temperature they're going to be on. And then if you look down here, you've got the plus and the minus, and you actually move this to set the temperature. You'll also see here that they are a perfect circle, so they are perfect if you want just one styling product to do both curls and straighten your hair, because when you twist it, it will perfectly curl. That will be a perfect ringlet. And then to shut it, you hold them together, push this up, there we go, and that will just keep them together, and then squeeze them together a little bit and pull it, and then it will open. I'm obsessed. I think they're so pretty. These are titanium plated, so it's a titanium plate. You get a 30-second heat up time, so they should be completely heated in 30 seconds. We will test that. An LED digital display and 60 minutes auto off. That's bloody brilliant. That's brilliant. 60 minutes and then they just turn themselves off. How safe is that? That's such a safer way of doing it. Well done, Kipozi, because I know a lot of big brands that don't do that. I've plugged these into the wall and the LED has already come on. I haven't turned them on. Look at this. Can you see? It just says off. Like, I know they're off. Okay, let's twiddle. I've put these on to 180. That was bloody quick. I'm going to leave them at 180 for the time being, just because I don't want to go in too steep. Also, one thing I forgot to tell you guys, this is 360 swivel. How good is that? These curls are actually heatless overnight curls. That's why they're a little bit scruffy, because I was practicing yesterday. So I'm just going to section some of my hair and then we're going to test it. It's not the curliest hair this side. This side's more curly, but I just want to see if it will straighten it in one pass. So yeah, that felt really smooth in my hair, really smooth. It didn't grip onto any of that at all. That, you know, like some hair straighteners, they yank on your hair. I got none of that with this, none of it. I can't get over how soft these feel on the hair. They're not tugging at all. That is straight. Wow, okay. I'm very impressed. They look like they should cost at least double what they do. And they act like they should cost at least double what they do. I can't believe that. I'm going to do the rest of my head. It's the same process all over, so I'm going to speed this right up for you because it is just boring. But I'm going to set a timer and make sure Alexa listens to me this time and let you know how long it took. So I will speed this up and I'll see you in a sec. Alexa, what's the time?
It's 5:10 p.m.
Alright, so it's 5:10. Let's go. Guys, I actually forgot to mention, and I'm going to mention it really quickly, these were actually on my Amazon Christmas wish list. I didn't actually get them for Christmas, obviously, because otherwise I wouldn't be testing them now. But these were genuinely on my Amazon Christmas wish list, and I really wanted these, so I'm so happy they reached out. Thank you. Alexa, what's the time?
It's 5:20 p.m.
5:20. It literally took me 10 minutes. 10 minutes to straighten up my entire head of hair. That is good, considering it, like, it's a long head of hair. Yeah. I'm so happy with them. Like, they look pretty, they work. What else can I say really, other than they look pretty and they work? I think the energy rating's probably good, I don't know. Because they are the 2-in-1s, they do curl as well. I do just want to try one little curl. So, I'm sorry hair, I know you've been through a lot today. Just bear with me, honey. Okay, yeah, that works. That's a proper, like, ringlet curl. I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh. I've got nothing more to say about this other than wow, for £35, that was a massive steal. That's a bargain. I cannot believe that is only £35. But for the fact that this straightened my whole head of hair, my long head of hair in 10 minutes, and then it produced a curl like this in like 10 seconds, what the hell? That's bloody brilliant. Wow. Yeah, highly recommend. If you guys need like a new pair of hair straighteners, if you need like a spare, a Christmas present is coming up, highly recommend. Obviously I can't talk much for the lifespan at the moment, but so far so good. Right guys, that is the end of today's YouTube video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, or that it might be helpful. If you did find it helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button, because it really does help small creators push out a bit more. So yeah, I'd really appreciate that. If you want to see or hear any more from me, then also maybe consider subscribing. I'm on the way to 1500. I've not long passed 1200, and I'm so thankful for all of you. Love you all. Stay safe guys, stay happy, stay smiling. Remember, you are loved, and I cannot wait to see you in the next YouTube video. Until then, love you, bye.